Welcome back everyone, this is Piper Tech. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a following video from the previous video. So today I'm gonna show you the answers of week 2 and also the programming answers. There's a programming assignment which I've done also, and the code is also in the Word document which will be uploaded in the description below. I will share it in my Google Drive so everyone has access to it. So let's get into the video. So this is the folder which I've added the code, and let's get into the week 2 quiz. So for question number 1, it says one of the following 10 statements generates an error. Which one? And I have written 8, which is a correct answer. For question number 2, it's the number 1 option. And for question number 3, so it says what is the value of second after executing the following lines. So this should be the correct answer. And then what is the value list I after the following lines executed. This is question number 4. So this is the answer. And if we go to the week 2 programming assignment, so what you have to do is you have to write a code in which the recorded assignment is provided. So the assignment, you have to read it properly, and then you have to understand what you have to do, and then I have done it for you guys. So what you do, you click Python 3, and when you copy paste the code, after copy pasting, just go ahead and compile and run, and then after doing compile and run, your table should look like this. If there is any incorrect code you have written or copy pasted, then the table will not look like this. It will have another column and a row, and then it would say that there is an error or indentation error, or it would show you that there is a specific error in a specific line. So what you do is just copy paste it, and then the table should look like this, and then just go ahead and submit the assignment. It's that easy. So this is the assignment 2 programming assignment, and for week 2, as I showed you, this is the answers. And for the next week, I'll also upload the answers and just give you a look ahead. The document which is for the programming, I have it in the Google Drive. I'll share the link in the description below, so no need to hurry and rush and cope up. Just watch the video for week 2 and then just revise. So I'll see you in the next one. This is it. Adios.